Center, experts in all things automotive.
There are a lot of automotive repair shops in Rogers, but how many fix it right the first time and truly stand behind their work? At Seeburg, we have treated our customers and their vehicles like family since 1972. We give you peace of mind with a 3-year, 36,000-mile nationwide warranty on most repairs and services. Is that pesky service engine soon light on? Our highly qualified ASE certified technicians diagnose and fix the most challenging problems. Seeburg and Rogers services most makes and models using state-of-the-art equipment and tools. Whether you need exhaust work, brakes, an oil change, tune-up, or any other type of automotive repair or maintenance, the staff at Seeburg and Rogers are experts in all things automotive.